Today we're going to learn how to use Assignment Builder for lessons. Editing the content of your HLS certified lessons is now easier than ever with our new Assignment Builder. If you would like to make curricular adjustments to individual certified assignments or global curricular changes, navigate in your online gradebook to the Assignments tab and click on the curriculum icon. Select your section to open the curriculum. Global settings can be found at the top of your curriculum page. Some of these include requiring practice, activating flex mastery, and controlling your students' ability to pause and resume lessons. If you would like to view and adjust the content of individual lessons, simply click on the lesson name you wish to view. The lesson editing page will look similar to the test builder with a two-pane view. All available questions are on the left, and those already assigned to the lesson are on the right. To make changes to the default questions assigned to the lesson, add and remove questions by choosing the remove. You have the ability to filter and sort the questions, and you still have the option to lock in a custom order for your questions for either practice, certify, or both. Once you're satisfied with your changes, ensure you have a mastery level set and save your changes. For more information, contact us at instructorsupport@hawkslearning.com or call 843-571-2825.